So to talk about the high pressure or high flow rate portion of this friction loss lab, there's a couple things we do to set it up. First thing, make sure that the three-way valve is set on direct from F110 bench. So that's in the position shown on the valve operation guide right there. Make sure your outlet starts fully open.
Great.
And make sure your flow rate from the Armfield hydraulic bench is relatively low or closed all the way. So that's all the way clockwise. So we'll turn on the Armfield bench.
Great.
And once all the air gets out of here, we'll be able to see that the manometers on board the actual tank will be completely full. We cannot get data from these manometers because the pressure differential values are higher than what these can show in this configuration. So instead, we're going to use the digital pressure meter on here.
Great.
You'll simply turn it on, give it a few moments, and we should have it set to bar automatically, but if not, you can press the units button until you get to bar, and the students will be able to take a reading on the pressure drop between the two tubes as shown on the digital pressure meter.
Nice.
To get different readings, they'll slowly and gradually close this outlet valve right here,
And with different flow rates.
which will cause a different flow rate.
And then we have this beaker which you can pull it to measure the flow rates. Yes.
And
Great.
you can see at lower flow rates, a more closed valve, we're going to have a lower pressure
Lower
drop.
pressure. Nice.
And then to make sure that they have the Q, the flow rate values at each of these points they test, we have a very small beaker right here. And they'll simply place
Nice.
the tube in here and count how long it takes to fill up. We might have a bigger or a different sized one for when they actually do this. But delta volume over delta time per flow rate. And that's it. That's all you have to do.
Yes. Thank
Take
you
a
very
couple different
much.
points.
Yes. Yes. Thank you very much, Justin.